Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're taking a look at another product from iClever. This is a portable solar charger that not only serves as a solar source for power, but it also has a battery backup. So let's go ahead and check this out. So I'm really a fan of any kind of technology that has kind of renewable energy, especially the type that you can take advantage of the sun. Here we have a product brought to us by iClever and has an 8,000 milliamp hour battery built in, but also has a solar panel type solution. So if we take a look at kind of the specs that we have here, you can see the capacity is definitely the 8,000 milliamp hour. You do have input, so you can charge it either through the panel or you can charge it through the USB. Output is a smart output port. It's going to generate up to 2.4 amps depending on sun or battery, right? Because that's what you're dealing with right there. And it's relatively small and compact. And you can see here some of the use cases that you have here, how you can even use this to charge the panel when you're not using the battery. So a great option for those of you who are on a college campus or in an outdoor setting. If you think about what's going on, the unfortunate situation in Puerto Rico where you don't have power readily available, this is definitely one of those things that's great because there's a lot of sunlight, you can get the sun, you can get things charged, and you can power all your electronics. So in the box you're going to find a little instruction pamphlet, a micro USB charging cable. It's a braided cable, so it's a really nice cable. And then you have your panel. And have these Velcro pieces right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. So first of all, it looks like here you have your charging port. So you see that right there. Opens up here on the side. So you can see your battery level. Press that to see what your battery's at. Here's your USB charging out, and then that's your charging in. And then you could seal that, especially if you know, want to make sure nothing gets in there. And this goes more like this. All right. We'll look at that later. And then here is your panel. So your panel is going to attract all that sunlight. And I'm trying to figure out where the battery is, because you'll notice this is pretty thin. See how thin that is? So is the battery behind the panel, or is it somewhere else? For 8,000 milliamp hours, it's I don't know where it's hidden. So the neat thing about this is that you can have it laid out like this to get sunlight. Put it in an angle. You could put it kind of like in this TP format. You do have this Velcro here that's going to allow you to kind of loop it around something. So you can hook it up like this, right? So if you think about this is your backpack, then you have this loop. You can have this in your backpack just like this in this angle, getting the sunlight. So let's see how this charges. Now from a charging perspective, all you have to do is plug in your cable right into your phone and it will start charging. Even in a situation like this where CSS cable charging, it's not a fast charger, it's not Qualcomm fast charging, but the neat thing about it is that you don't have to turn it on. In my studio, I'm not getting sunlight, so the panel is not really changing LED energy into renewable energy. But if this was outside and it was something that I was getting some sunlight, I'd be charging the panel as well as supplementing power to my phone. Now it's a little gloomy here in the Midwest, so one of the things I just wanted to highlight, we don't have a lot of sun. If this was getting sunlight that is usable for the panel to charge the battery, what you would notice is that this little LED right there would just turn on red and continue to charge until it would change color once the battery is fully charged. But remember, you can plug this into a standard electrical outlet and charge the battery as well. So this concludes my review of the iClever solar battery panel and battery backup solution. If you have any comments or questions about this product, leave it in the comment area below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to share and subscribe.